When you understand this one thing about the universe, you basically become a wizard. That one thing is that most of the universe, 99.9% of it, is made of plasma. And plasma is a highly energized state of matter, which we're calling the fourth state of matter, in which all the energy circles around and then coalesces at a common center point, commonly referred to as the nucleus of an atom or even a cell. This center point is where all of the energy meets and then is basically conditioned in a way that this greater structure, or plasma, is able to sustain itself within the other plasmas in the universe. This means that a plasma torus is the ultimate fractal. In fact, it's the only fractal. And the reason anything in this universe is even conscious is because at that center point, it's constantly contrasting the energy that was coming through in relationship to itself and the surrounding environment. This contrasting is the process of consciousness. And by understanding that and then kind of sitting at that center point wherever you choose, because there's a center point in every individual thing, every cell, every thought, every breath. Each has its own center point combined of all the other center points that it itself is composed of. So if you were to meditate and say put your attention right at that center point, you are interacting with the universe itself directly. And that is literally the definition of manifesting. Sitting or riding the coherent energies that create our universe and then bring things to us. If you want to learn more, check out my website or check out my profile for more videos. I'm also putting out a workshop in a couple weeks where I'm going to go into this in more depth and look at what it really means to be an embedded plasma within a greater plasma structure or the universe, and how what we call spirituality is really understanding ourselves in relationship to the unseen forces that affect our plasma torus. So if you want to learn more, check it out.